This is the ideal security window security bar with anti-lift lock setup instructions. Before we begin, ensure your window has a locking or fixed interior pane. For flat profiles, ensure a minimum of 1 inch width. Side and center grooved profiles should have at least 3/4 inch flat surface area for tape installation. Measure the distance from the inside of the window frame to the window profile with the window closed. Select the model that fits these measurements. For small windows between 10.5 inches and 16.625 inches, choose model number 112. For medium windows between 15.75 inches and 26.75 inches, select model number 111. Now you're ready to install your window security bar. Let's start by gathering the tools and materials you'll need. The security bar, saddle brackets, anti-lift lock, tape or tapping screws, a drill, measuring tape, pencil, a level, and a screwdriver. Determine where on the window you want to install the bar. Make sure it is clear of interference and will have enough space to be removed from the saddles. If using the optional anti-lift lock, first use the included double-sided tape to attach the anti-lift lock to the window frame or profile. Now tape the bracket either to the anti-lift lock or directly to the window frame or profile. Repeat for the second bracket. Place one of the saddle brackets against the window frame at the desired location. Mark the 3 hole locations. Drill 1/8 inch diameter pilot holes to a maximum depth of 1/2 inch. Be sure not to make contact with the window pane when drilling. This can cause significant damage. If using the optional anti-lift lock, place the anti-lift lock against the back of the bracket, lining up the screw holes. Line them up against the profile and insert the provided self-tapping screws. Do not over-tighten the screws, as this could damage or strip the window profile. Place the fixed end of the bar in the installed saddle. Hold the bar in a level position and extend the sliding end and mark the screw locations on the opposite window profile. Install the second bracket and optional anti-lift lock, following the same procedure used for the first bracket. With the security bar successfully installed, you can use it on your window in 2 ways: fully closed for extra security, or locked while partially open to prevent further opening. The release lever enables the narrow inner bar to telescope into the larger outer bar. Simply hold down the lever to open your window while keeping the security bar securely in place. When closing the window, the bar will not resist, allowing you to close it without pressing the lever. Once closed, the bar will automatically lock, securing the window against opening.